With a warm introduction, like I said, my name is Tyler Gower. I'm the partner of Josh Schwieterman, and I had the pleasure of meeting Sean a couple months ago, I think it was already, and helped get this all lined up and have us come in.
He was asking me how we met. I said, I don't remember.
Yeah, it was through, I met somebody, Joshua Richards.
Oh, Joshua.
And he referred me to you, and that's how we kind of sat down and had a nice dinner. Luckily, Sean bought my lunch one day and took me out, but it's not a bad idea. Sean, we had kind of went back and forth talking about some good things we come in and talk about. And so, Josh and I thought that a great topic would be financial planning and diversification. The importance of having a full comprehensive financial plan and being diversified in your investments. Obviously, a lot of everybody in here, if not everybody, is in real estate and real estate investing, but having that diversification is super important. So I want to kind of pass it off to my partner here, Josh. Like Sean said, he's been in the industry 16, 17 years now, worked with hundreds, if not thousands of people to help them in their financial plans, in their personal finances, and also in some real estate stuff, tips here and there through his personal experience. But we'll kind of pass it off to him to start off here. So
awesome. Tyler, thank you. You guys give Tyler a hand. Sean, thanks for having us out. Guys, I appreciate your time. So what I would like to actually do here is get us kicked off with a short video. And we should have had this up as I was being introduced. That QR takes you to my link tree. And but I'd like to start off with a short video if the audio works. If not, we'll skip past it.
Yeah.
Assuming the audio works, guys, this is going to kind of take us through a history lesson of our country and where we're at financially, and kind of a course over the last about 70 years to present day. And what's cool about this in the video, if you kind of watch across the bottom, there's going to be a ticker tape of the S&P 500 over the years. So it's kind of neat just to kind of see what's happened over time. And so, let's see if this works. There we go.
More than 5 billion people around the world continue to struggle with money and financial illiteracy.
The financial industry is not set up for you to be educated and know what's going on. The less you know, the more they make.
How bad is that financial literacy? It's not taught in school, so people don't know this naturally, right? So you grow up not knowing anything about it, you make a lot of mistakes along the way, and we're hoping to educate them and teach them how money really works so they can learn the cause and effect of all this.
And it doesn't have to be generational. Break that cycle.
We're on a crusade to eradicate financial literacy through learning how money really works. Everybody should have an opportunity to become educated.
How money works. How money works. How money works. How money works. How money works.
Start taking responsibility by learning how money works.
You have to know how money works.
How money works. Stop being a sucker.
Responsibility. It means opportunity, it means freedom, things you've always wanted to do, dreams that you have. Money makes it possible.
Okay, well, I apologize. That was the wrong video. So, however, the other one's about 7 minutes long, so maybe not a bad thing. So what's neat is you saw in the video they talked about a book, How Money Works, Stop Being a Sucker. As we go through this, so a couple of our mentors wrote this book, How Money Works, Stop Being a Sucker. And I know you guys mentioned the cash flow game, yeah. Kiyosaki. They actually just released How Money Works for Women, and it was co-authored by Sharon Lechner. And so if you guys are familiar with Sharon, yeah, and she's actually, she was co-author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Kiyosaki's Guide to Investing. She was actually the one that created the cash flow game. She's CEO of the Napoleon Hill Foundation today. She helps Kiyosaki run his organizations. I think she's co-authored just about every book that he's put together.
You can tell the better grammar.
There you go.
Absolutely.
Yep. And Outwitting the Devil, Napoleon Hill. I don't know if you guys have ever read that. She was the one that actually released that to the public. And anyhow, so just want to kind of share that there. All right, so as we go through this, so if you guys look at the state of Americans' finances, if we were to give most Americans a letter grade A through F on how they're doing with their money, how do you think they would score?
And F.
An N? Okay. C minus? D. All right. Go ahead.
D.
D minus, F. I mean, statistically, if we look
Greater Dayton REIA is a great source of information for real estate investors. You can learn what you need to do to succeed. You can learn the different opportunities that there are in the marketplace, and you can meet a lot of people that know about this from their own experience.
It's a fantastic organization because you can network with more seasoned investors. You meet all kinds of different vendors each time. Insurance companies, title companies, there's always a different group of people here. And even though I've been involved in real estate since '99, every time I come to a meeting I learn something different. You could also find contractors here. It's just a really great way to network.
The benefits that I've gotten from GD REIA over the years is being able to tap into a pool of knowledge from experienced investors, experienced speakers that allow me to overcome any obstacles I might have from what I'm not familiar with.
GD REIA, we learned that this is a team sport, and being a landlord requires quite a few people to help. In GD REIA, we found our accountant, attorney, property manager, realtor who furnishes the leads for the properties, and I believe the appraisers.
GD REIA in 2010 to invest. The whole team was there. I had a property manager, realtors who had deals, and now I have 4 houses that are all turnkey solutions. I've invested in private LLCs. I didn't bought a note. So by joining an organization like GD REIA, you too can learn how to be a good investor.
And we are an approved vendor with GD REIA. We've been with you guys about 4 or 5 years now, and we love networking with the members, and we're here to help. So anything that they need help with, you can find us here every meeting and ask us whatever questions you need to.
You guys have a location?